Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We're doing October 2025 Patreon Part 7. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures for your 3D needs. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon as well. We have figures as well for really cheap. $1 for a lot of the multiple AI generated models, and the $5 ones are for the figures from all the way from August. Um, Figures I paid artists to make for me. But anyhow, subscribe, like, and yeah, all the links are down below, and we'll get started. So we got a GM3D. I don't know if they're still alive or not. No, they're gone from February. Close that. Eb3DM. Then it's D&D one too. 3M 10. Oh, we got October one. So we have uh tree tree spirit phase. Looks like a dodo bard or whatever it is. Dark tooth fairy. It looks like a dodo, birdfolk paladin bard. And we got, it looks like a elder tree spriggan. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, for your D&D needs for that as well. Let's see this one too. Oh, we got a little terrain stuff as well, and some elves with big old biddies. We need big old biddies. Big old biddies are great. I think he printed these things really, really small, so you can't really see a lot of the details on it. Or it's might be the printer too, because the printer's having a different little bit thing as well. We got Arcane Workshop. Let's see here. So we got October releases here. We have looks like a base. Hands on that. $7, $1, one. So there's a $7 one. Velia. Got a dog, lion, angel. Dark dice box. That's a pretty cool thing to have for a dice box. And you got these two for $1. Sarah Para, I don't know if they're still alive. No, 2024. They're gone. Miles Studio. We got Jesse. Uh, I can make her bigger. Well, it's a Jesse figure if you're interested in that from Pokemon. Anime Girl STL. For October, we're having Faye Valentine. September 1 is Revi from Black Lagoon. If you're interested. Flesh God Miniatures. If you like Grim Dark D&D, especially for Halloween, this is probably the good thing to have. The Devil's Offspring. So you got the Gargantuan Enemy, the Azeroth Endless Oath. That's kind of cool. You can have actual players on it if you really want to fight it. You got a large. We have Wicker Golem, Mother of Bargain, Grim Owl, Hack Countess, Twin Stalker, and Goat Idol. We have medium enemies, Scarran Herald of the Pact, Corrupted Satyr, Grezar Ashtongue, Deep Hag, Yashima Hexhand, and Serban Bloodveil. Heroes, Lone Crusader, Grim Cleric, Lone Crusader, Dark Wing, and the Voice of the Pact. You got your bust. Oh, the Voice of the Pact. That Ozzy Osbourne. Yep, you have Ozzy Osbourne. It'll be like a warlock vampire or something like that. It should be a throwback too. And here's your throwback for this one. I already painted these two on the channel. I haven't painted this one yet. Conclave Sentinel. Check them out. Sorbane Publishing. They do Spelljammer stuff as well. I don't know if they're having a ship this month. We have an Orc Witch, Gargoyle. It looks like a Serpent Dragon. Orc Witch, Koi Dragon. So it's gonna be a lot of coloring. If it's gonna be a Koi Dragon. Gargoyles. We have a Mushroom Monster. On the Underdark, we have Witch's Familiar Cat. We have Chimera Kylan. So let's see here. How's that a chimera? Oh, has some kind of serpent reptile and the bull hooves. Chimera I'm used to having is like 2, 3 heads onto them as well. And yeah, Crippling God Foundry 9th anniversary of the Crippling God Foundry. Yeah, I think we already solved this one. Gamescape. They do a lot of terrain pieces for this one as well. It's November. We want October, so we got a little rocks, cliffs, and bridges in many ways. River rocks. Cool stuff. If you have filament printer, this is what you use to do filament printing with. These are huge, just letting you guys know. I painted a few in the past, and I printed a whole bunch. But we're stopping D&D for actual physical tabletop D&D because Ashley's pregnant, and it's a lot harder for us to be in the game while she's pregnant. That is what it is. So we got the Wicked. This is like the bonus one. Berserk will have this too. We got Arbiter Bust. And we also have Master Chief Bust. And also we'll be getting the diorama of Arbiter and Halo. This one from Halo 2. You ever played Halo 2? It's a good game. Halo 1, 2, and 3 is good. Anything after 3, it just went down to shit. In my opinion. I don't know why. No, I freaking hate this little. They should make this a little bit bigger. So yeah. I might 3D print it. I do love Halo. It's just that the newer one sucks. Halo Infinite was really bad in many ways. It was not like playing Halo at all. 12 models. September. That's September term. Hey, 3D art guy. I'm trying to get convert for this month. Uh, this is October release. You get your Warhammer proxies here. I don't know too much of the lore. I know this one, they use human skin as like a decorative stuff for it. It was called a blood raven or a raven. And this is a Grey Knight. This is the Banshee for the Eldars. I do like the head and the face in many ways. Huh. This is the fantasy one, looks like it. Nazgul. And we have a Custodes. I believe they're Custodes, or are they Stormbringers? It's one of those two. They're freaking gold. I need a new Stormbringers are silver now, in many ways. Yeah. And you have 3 Spanish Inquisition. You got the Nazgul and his Wraith, his Drake. This is probably a good piece for your Lord of the Ring games, if you're interested in that as well. Next is Berserk. We're going to get Doom's Dark Side. This is September. They'll get a whole bunch for it. Just check them out. DM Stash, probably the last one we'll be looking at before call it quits for today. See what they have. See here, we got Frosthorn Feast, White Bone. We'll see the individual ones. Make it easier on the eyes. We got the Playable Ritual Sight Terrain. That's pretty cool looking. I don't care about this shit. I make my own campaign. So we got with a Bone Right. Daughters of Death. Yeah, Freya, Maiden of Life. Outlander Berserker. Animal Friend Shaman. Maiden of Death. The Frosthorn Beast. Druid of the White Tundra. Maiden of Trickery. Elderwood Draugr. Nordic War Chief. So it's like more like Vikings stuff, the Heartland hero. I think that's the theme that we're having right here. Fire Jolton, so it's a fire giant for it. Wanderer, One Eye, that's basically Odin. Nordic Hunter. But yeah, I hope you guys do like it. Subscribe, like, and share. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.